Welcome back to 75Dually Garage. Well, as you can see, I'm in a hotel room. I'm on the road for work this week, but I wanted to get this particular video out to you guys. On Saturday, we went to two shows. The first one was a car show at our local Harley-Davidson dealership. The second one was an air show. At the car show, I met two really cool dudes. One is named Joe Ortega, and you get to see his black truck. And the other guy's name is Henry Benacourt. And Henry has a really cool silver square body. So I hope you enjoy those. If you like those kind of interviews and talking to guys about their vehicles and trucks, let me know. Give me a little bit of your input down in the comment section. So after that particular car show, we went to an air show in Little Slayton, Texas. And I took some footage and I wanted to share that with you guys. One of my big passions is airplanes. Probably even before cars, when I was a little boy, a lady that was a friend of my dad that he worked with had an airplane, took us up when we were little kids, and I have been enamored with planes ever since that time. So I hope you enjoyed both of the footage from the car show and the air show as well. Let me know your comments down below, and let me know what you think of this. So enjoy the video. What's your name?
Joe Ortega.
Joe, tell us about your truck.
It's an 04 GMC Sierra. Bought it and built it in Dallas. I forgot the people's name there, but I bought it over there, and I guess it was actually in Plano where I got it. And it's bagged all around, all four sides, tubbed in the back, got leather interior, gauges on the side of the post, stuff like that.
I don't know, what kind of stock engine?
It's got a 5.3, yes, stock engine.
Excellent.
Got a little bit of exhaust on it, about it, you know, nothing major.
How long have you had it?
I've had it for a couple of years.
And all your trucks are black, right? And
yes.
All your cars are black?
All of course.
That's the way to go.
Yes.
I don't know. Nice truck, man.
Thank you very much.
Tell us your name.
My name is Henry Benacourt, and this is my pickup. It's a 1985 Silverado C10. It used to belong to my dad. He bought it brand new in 1985. Like I said, I was like 10 years old when he bought it, and he finally gave it to me about 5-6 years ago. The original paint was white with the red racing stripe down the side, and I decided to kind of give it a little custom paint to it. And here it is. It still has the original 305 engine in it. It's got probably, if not 300, over 300,000 miles. The only thing I've actually done to it is engine-wise or motor-wise is rebuilt the transmission. It still has the original interior in it. The wheels are 20-inch US mags all the way around. The drop is a 3.5 drop. So I'm in love with it right now. So
It's a clean truck, man.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Any other mods you've done to it?
No, sir. Not yet. Not yet.
That doesn't need much.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I wanna put a bigger engine, but as long as it keeps running, I'm gonna keep going.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Here's the footage of the air show. This air show again was in Slayton, Texas, which is about 10 to 15 minutes outside Lubbock, Texas. One of the cool things about this particular municipal airport is that it has an air museum right on the grounds. They have some really cool airplanes and spacecraft on display. So if you're ever in that area, I recommend stop in and see the Slayton Air Museum. On top of that, there was a really cool airplane out there, and I took some footage of it, and you'll see this twin boom, twin engine. It's actually a Russian aircraft. It's called a Yak-110. So if you want to look this up, pull up Yak-110, and I think it's twin engine. You can put something like that in your Google search. You'll pull up this particular aircraft. It has basically two airplanes that they put together, and one guy flies it. Plus, they also put a jet engine below, and this thing is just crazy. It does stunts like you wouldn't believe, but do me a favor, Google it, you'll enjoy it.
He does that because the tail wheel's a much smaller tail and he doesn't want to bounce it off the airplane. So he holds that tail off the ground as long as possible and then he sets it down as gently as possible. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you noticed, but the Yak-110 just fired up. He's up next in sequence. And
Guys, I want to thank you again for watching 75Dually Garage. I especially want to say a big thank you to Joe and Henry for letting me interview them. Do me a favor, if you like this show, give me a thumbs up, give me a like down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, and if you click on the little bell right next to it, you'll get notified of the next show. Thanks again for watching 75Dually Garage.